friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing a very exciting unboxing. It is my April Stitch Fix unboxing, COVID-19 edition. So for those of you guys that don't know, this is a pretty regular series here on my channel of me unboxing my Stitch Fix for you all every month of the items that I get from Stitch Fix, which is a monthly subscription service that sends you 5 items of clothing styled for you by a personal stylist. I try them on, you guys let me know what you think, and then I will either keep or send back some or all of the items, and it's a good time. So yeah, let's, without further ado, go ahead and dive right into this month's box. I'm going to apologize in advance if there's a lot of background noise today. Because we're all stuck at home, my roommate is on a Skype call and it's pouring rain outside. So if you do hear any background noises today, I apologize. There's a lot going on in the house. But to start, let's go ahead and get into the most exciting items for me in these boxes, which is shoes. Now you don't get shoes in every single box, but when you do, I always think they're a fun addition to have, and these are super cute. These are just super basic leather, black, pointed toe booties that go up. It looks like a little bit higher than normal, and I'm obsessed with these. I actually feel like I'm not cool enough to pull these off, and I have really tiny, thin ankles, so sometimes things that go up a little higher on my feet don't fit as well, but I'm stoked about these. I think they're super cute. They're really sleek and just look and feel very adult, which again is not normally my vibe. It's more comfortable sweaters and comfy clothes, but I really like these. I feel like these would be so cute for going out. The heel isn't too high, but these just look super cute, and these are the Mark Fisher Footwear Tamala heeled leather booty in black size 7. So we shall see. The shoes typically fit me pretty well in these boxes, so I will of course try these on and let you guys know what I think. Next, we have a pair of jeans, which these are pretty cute. Okay, so these are pretty dark wash, pretty stretchy jean, and these are the Sam Edelman, the Kitty mid-rise ankle scissor hem skinny jean in indigo size 0. So jeans in the Stitch Fix boxes, I'll be honest, have been a little hit or miss. The quality's usually pretty good. Sometimes the fit's a little bit too small for me, so I just need to be realistic. Like if something's tight when I try it on, it's gonna be tight. Like it just is. So yeah, these are really pretty basic dark wash, which I really love, and then the very bottom has like that scissor cut to them, which I'm really obsessed with. I do worry over time how much it will fray, but if it's long enough, I think it should be okay. Oh, and there's like a cut in the back. I'll be honest, I don't know how I feel about that, but I'll give it a try. I think these are cute and I really like the wash of them, so we'll see what happens. And again, I say this in almost every box. I love Stitch Fix for the fact that it brings me things in that I normally would never try on my own, so that's what I like. Speaking of which, this is a skirt. I'm normally not a big skirt person, particularly this kind of a cut of skirt, but this is interesting. As always, we'll try them on. Skirts as well are something that tends to sometimes fit weird on my body. I'm built like a martini glass. We've discussed this in many a video. Very broad on top, not very wide on the bottom. So this is the Renee C. Zuma knit skirt in olive size small. I love the color. The style is pretty cute, but I don't know. I'll give it a try and see what happens. Okay, next we have, interesting. Okay, this is kind of a mixed bag of a box. Sometimes can go either way for me. It just depends on when I try it on, how things feel. But this is kind of looks like something my mom would try, which I think is kind of why I'm turned off to it initially. Not that my mom doesn't dress cute, but like it just feels more maternal. But this is like a larger blouse type material shirt, more of a chiffon, and this is the Peppermoon Lori Crew neck blouse in white size small. It's got this really cute zipper detail down the back. It's got the stripes and the floral detail. It's very sheer as well. So I don't know how I feel about that. Typically I don't go for white and sheer because that usually means I have to wear like nude bra with it. and that's just kind of a hassle, plus I can never keep white things clean, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, and last but not least, this looks like, oh, a blazer jacket? Interesting. Okay, I really don't know how to feel about this box, I'll be honest, you guys. This is typically not my style at all. But yeah, this is a blazer in this kind of tweed, I don't even know what you'd call this, like orange creamsicle and blue, and it's got the stripes on the inside. I've actually gotten a lot of blazers recently from Stitch Fix, and I've really enjoyed the quality of them and the like style that I've gotten, so I don't know if this one necessarily, I can pretty much tell you guys off the bat, is not my style and something I'd hold on to, just because this like blue and creamsicle color, if you guys can see, is just not my vibe. I do always love the scrunch sleeve aspect on some of their blazers, but yeah, this is the One State Nori mixed print blazer in light gray, size small. So yeah, this is interesting. Again, not sure how I feel about this, but as always, we'll try it on and see what we think. So yeah. Interesting box, but there you have it. So as always, I'm now going to go ahead and try on the items for you guys, so you can let me know down in the comments below what you think, and without further ado, let's get into that. Hi friends, welcome back. We're doing our lovely favorite try on. This is the green skirt that I got in the box. I'll be honest, I don't like this, so we're not going to stay here for very long. Also apologies if you can hear noises in the background, but yeah, this is the green skirt. It's really loose on me, and it's just not a cut that I'm really a fan of. It hits right above my knee, and I'm just not into it. So we're passing on this one, on to the next. Alright friends, next two items are the top that we got that's kind of this flowy peasant material, and then the jeans. I'll be honest, I'm really not thrilled about like anything in this box. The shirt is very wide, it's not very flattering here on the top. The jeans are nice, they're a pretty nice fit overall, but I'm just not like so in love with them. Plus they have this like cut here on the side that's just already fraying, and I feel like will just stretch out over time. So overall, again, not to be a Debbie Downer, but not thrilled about either of these as well. Alright friends, and the last item we have is the jacket. Again, not to beat a dead horse, but I'm really not like in love with any of the items in this box this month. This jacket just isn't any color that I would typically go for. It's just a little tight on the arms, like when I go like this, it's snug. Yeah, so again, not to be like totally downer, I like the jeans. I think the jeans are a good fit, but I do wish they came up a little bit higher. So overall, I think maybe I'll show you guys the shoes, and then you guys let me know as always in the comments below what you guys think, what I should keep, what I should get rid of. You know the drill. Alright friends, and so here are the booties that we got in the box. I like them, but for some reason the fit of them on me, for some reason, I'm just not super jazzed about. I think they're just really, make my feet look really big. They're a size 7 and they actually fit pretty comfortably. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just not thrilled about this box, as you guys probably can tell. But let me know, like as always, in the comments below what you guys think, if I should keep anything, and I love to hear your guys' feedback. So there you go. Alright you guys, so that was everything from this month for April for my Stitch Fix unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorite, which ones you think I should send back, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Oh, and as always, I do have a subscription link down below for you guys if you do want to check out the box for yourself. So go ahead and check that description box, and I will have the link there for you guys as well. I'll talk to you guys later and see you all in my next video. Bye!